Hi there. Today I'm going to show you text wrapping in Google Sheets. So first thing we're going to do is I have my text written out that I want to demonstrate, and we'll go up to the little menu bar where it has all these icons. You can see where it says horizontal align, then there's vertical align, and then there's something called text wrapping. And you're going to click down on that, and there is three little settings that you can choose from. So the first setting is the overflow setting. So overflowing is showing you what all of my text is in one box, and this box is going to stretch to fill the text for as long as it needs to. Now, the next one, we're going to click on this, and I want to go to the next option where it is wrapping. And once we wrap it, you can see that the text kind of just stays in one box and it's not spanned across K and L like previous text, and it's on top of each other. And then from there, personally, I would go in and align that and make it center because that's just who I am as a person. And then the third option is to go over to the text that you want selected and go back up to text wrapping. And this will be called clip. So once you click that, it's going to clip off any other text that is kind of falling over into K and L, or, it's not fitting all in that shape of that box. So this is how you wrap your text in Google Sheets. If you found this video to be helpful, please check out my other videos. You might find those to be helpful too. Bye.